Good morning, dear students. After completion the chapter number 2, components of food, we are moving to the exercise portion. So, first question we are taking, name the major nutrients in our food. What are the major nutrients which are found in our food? The major nutrients in our food are named as carbohydrates, protein, fats, vitamins and minerals. In addition, food contains dietary fibers and water which are also needed by our body. So the description about all the nutrients we have seen in the chapter notes. You should revise from there. Clear? Question number 2. The nutrients which mainly give energy to our body. Carbohydrates and fats. They are known as food items. They are known as the nutrients which provide the maximum energy to our body in case of extreme hunger. So that's why they are known as energy giving foods. Next, the nutrients that are needed for the growth and maintenance known as proteins, and the food items proteins examples pea, beans, soya bean, milk. The examples we have seen in the chapter notes because they are required for the growth and maintenance of our body. Clear? They are known as bodybuilding foods. Next, a vitamin required for maintaining good eyesight. So, which vitamin is responsible? The vitamin A. The function of vitamin A we have seen in chapter notes. You should revise from there. Next, a mineral that is required for keeping our bones healthy. So, the calcium mineral is responsible for keeping our bones healthy as well as for the teeth. Clear? So this was about the calcium mineral. Next, question number 3. Name 2 food items which are rich in fats, starch, dietary fibers and proteins. So first of all, fat rich food items, ghee, butter, milk. These are the food items which are providing fat nutrients to our body. Starch containing food items are potato, wheat and rice. Dietary fiber containing food items, vegetables and fresh foods. Proteins containing food items, milk, pulses and eggs. So some more examples you can find in chapter notes. Clear? Question number 4. True and false. By eating rice alone, we can fulfill nutritional requirement of our body. This is false because rice is known as carbohydrate rich food. It cannot provide the remaining nutrients, so that's why it is not fulfilling the nutritional requirement of our body. Deficiency disease can be prevented by eating a balanced diet. This is true because deficiency disease can be prevented by eating a balanced diet because balanced diet consists all the nutrients in right quantities in a single diet. Next question C. Balanced diet for the body should contain a variety of food items. Yes, this is true. We have seen in the notes. Next, meat alone is sufficient to provide all the nutrients to the body. No, because the statement is false because meat is the source of fat and protein. It cannot provide carbohydrate, minerals and vitamins. So that's why it cannot be considered the to provide all the nutrients to the body. Clear? Question number 5. Fill in the blanks. The disease is caused by the deficiency of vitamin D. The disease is known as rickets. Clear? Deficiency of vitamin B1 causes a disease known as beriberi. And symptoms we have seen in the notes. Deficiency of vitamin C causes a disease known as scurvy. So, due to the lack of vitamin C, our body will suffer from the particular disease that is known as scurvy. And in this, bleeding is gums, these type of symptoms you might have seen in the chapter notes. Night blindness is caused due to the deficiency of vitamin A in our food. So for the proper eyesight, the vitamin A is very much required to take from the food items. So the sources of vitamin is spinach, apple, carrot, bread. These are the examples of vitamin A food items. So this was about the complete explanation of exercise. I hope you all have enjoyed the explanation part. Earlier, I have sent an audio explanation. So, this will also help you to understand all the topics. If anything left regarding the chapter and exercise, please inform me on my personal WhatsApp. If any problem you are facing to understand any topic, please inform me. Keep on studying. Thank you and have a nice day.